How to insert an Excel file into the PowerPoint. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing how can we insert the Excel file into the PowerPoint PPT either as a link or displaying the whole Excel file. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, open your PowerPoint and open the presentation slide. After that, tap on the Insert tab and then go to Object. Select or click on Create from File and then click on Browse button. Now choose the Excel file that you want to link. Scroll down a bit, choose the file that you want and click on OK. Now tick on Link and then click on OK. This will now take a time to load the Excel sheet and you will notice the Excel file has been linked into the PowerPoint. You can also arrange the shape as per your wish. Likewise, the next option is go to Object again, click Create from File, choose the same process like clicking on Browse button, clicking on Excel sheet and OK, tap on Link and additionally click on Display an icon. Now click on OK and it will display the Excel icon on your PowerPoint. If you double tap on it, it will open the Excel on your device. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.